Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I'm very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and very trending designs of handmade crochet kids dresses ideas. It's a very aesthetic and cool color combination and attractive designs. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because you can see all the designs are very stunning, very unique and useful. So we will share this video with your family and sweet friends who want these type of most attractive and very trending designs of handmade crochet baby dresses, baby frocks and baby top and shorts and skirts. All type of variety are available in this video. I really hope that they will love these beautiful and popular ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and designs. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs of handmade crochet dresses. These are very amazing. You can see your kids are looks very beautiful when you apply these beautiful designs on their bodies. So pick your favorite one and must make these beautiful article for yourself, for your nephews, for your all the kids and babies. When you wear these beautiful dresses, when your kids wear these beautiful dresses, they looks very beautiful and enhance. Thank you viewer for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet articles. You can see my lovely viewers, these are very amazing rainbow colors and these are very cool color combinations. You can see, if you want tutorial videos and if you want all type of crochet ideas, crochet flowers and crochet other designs, so watch my all the previous videos, because on my channel PB Crochet I am uploading all type of tutorials and designing videos. I hope this video is very helpful for all the beginners and my all the videos are very important, very helpful for all the beginners, so must watch. You can see viewer, designs are very amazing and now I am share with you some benefits of crochet dresses. These are airflow and very soft yarn. You can customize your favorite color, yarn and pattern and make beautiful design individual body types. Viewer, these are washable and machine washable design and easy to dry in summer weather. And these are very comfortable dresses for your kids very comfort in these beautiful dresses, so must make these beautiful designs. And viewer, I'm share with you some fun facts about crochet. Crochet is a French word. Its meaning is hook and the first known evidence is dates back to 1824 in South America. Crochet was originally used to make a wide range of items from clothing to accessories to home decor and other dresses ideas. And the common crochet hook was used aluminium, steel and wood. Million people love these beautiful articles, and crochet is a wonderful hobby that combines involves using a hook and yarn to create a fabric. If you are already an experienced crocheter, I would be happy to help you with patterns, tips and inspiration for your next project. What would you like to know about crochet? Share your experience. If you all love these article viewers and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification. Be connected with me. See you soon. Bye bye.